Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make CADABBY from Sesame Street. So let's get started. I hand cut the cookies and I'm using a paper template and edible marker tracing the outlines. I'm going to start by making the eyes using about 20-second consistency royal icing. Let it crust and then you can make the eyelids with blue. Make the mouth, brush a thin layer of red royal icing, let it crust, make the tongue with pink, outline the mouth and then make the ears. Let that crust for about 5-10 minutes and then you can outline the face and flood it with pink. Let it crust and then using purple 15-second consistency we can start working on the hair. I'm going to add lighter shade purple and pink. And then using a needle tool you can shape the icing while it's still wet. Let that crust for about 10-15 minutes and then we can start working on the ponytails. Using black royal icing, about 20-second consistency, make the eyelashes, use a needle tool to accentuate the points. I'm going to also use edible marker and add 3 dots on each cheek for the freckles. Add the flowers, make the nose with red and let it dry completely. Once dry, we can outline with black royal icing. And that's how you can make this adorable fairy in training CADABBY from Sesame Street. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.